You are tasked with deploying an application on Google Kubernetes Engine that requires access to a restricted cloud storage bucket. Your corporate security policy strictly prohibits the creation or usage of service account keys. You must authenticate the application pods to the Cloud Storage API while adhering to Google recommended security standards. How should this be achieved? The options are: Option A, provision the GKE cluster with Workload Identity Federation. Assign the default node service account to access the storage resource and deploy the application to inherit these node-level permissions via IAM. Option B, enable Workload Identity Federation on the GKE cluster. Define both a Google service account and a Kubernetes service account linked via workload identity. Attach the Kubernetes service identity to the pods and assign appropriate IAM roles to the Google service account.
Option C, proceed with the deployment. Request a formal exception from security teams to generate a Google service account key and configure the organization policy to permit keys for up to 24 hours. Option D, proceed with the deployment. Request a formal exception from security teams to generate a Google service account key and configure the organization policy to permit keys for up to 8 hours.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. This approach uses GKE workload identity, which is the standard method for handling authentication without using service account keys. By creating a Google service account and a Kubernetes service account, then linking them, you ensure the application pods can securely assume the identity of the Google service account to access storage resources. Option A is incorrect because using the node's default service account applies the same permissions to every pod on that node, violating the principle of least privilege. Options C and D are incorrect as they rely on security exceptions for keys, which contradicts best practices. Always prioritize native identity solutions over key-based authentication to maintain a strong security posture in your GKE environments.